So if I glued this on like that, and then I try to use a slide hammer, because it's an open panel, when I pull up, it's gonna wanna pull a lot of the exterior. So what'll happen is you'll pull it here, but you're gonna end up with like too much of a mound. Or you're gonna try and pull it, and it's just gonna flex instead of actually pulling the dent. It'll just flop. On any panel you're glue pulling, that is an open area, but you can't get in behind. So if the tab is on there, when you use a mini lifter, it stabilizes the panel. So when you make that pull, these pads are holding the exterior down and you get a direct pull. So you're gonna notice that, like some spots you try and use the slide hammer, it's gonna wanna pull the whole panel out, not the dent. So you can wreck things pretty quickly if you're not paying attention or looking for that.